Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Somebody asked me to do a video tutorial on this. So let's get on with it. So we need to have crochet needles, and they come in various sizes. I have a penchant for really big mandalas that could be done in no time. I prefer the big ones. So yarns come in different sizes as well. I use this size for this kind of yarn. For the big ones, I use a cord. So it's they come in various colors, and the size is a lot bigger. The tricky part is how to start, since I have been trained by my mother in the old school way, so I do it old school style. Because I've been teaching some students, I'm mixing old school and millennial style. Hold the thread by the end, and then you make a rock star sign, so rock on. Put the thread on your fingers and twirl around the index finger, and let your thumb and middle finger hold that. So this one, your pinky finger, your little finger, holds it so that it won't loosen up, and then it travels behind your two fingers, the ring and middle finger, and around the index finger, and ends up here. So this one, you really have to hold this tight. So once you have this kind of hold on your thread, you're all set. Let's do this again. Twirl like that and hold it like this. You're again faster. Rock and roll. Twirl and hold it like this. The first thing for us to do is to make a chain. So first, how to handle. Find the flat portion of the crochet needle and hold your index finger and thumb on the flat side, like this. And remember that the hook right here always faces this direction. Now remember that the hook is in this position, always. Holding your crochet needle this way, go under the thread like this. First turn, and make sure that you're holding this by the neck. And that's still not it. You have to turn around twice. Do the same process. Let your hook go under the thread, and I'm just pushing the thread to let you see where it goes. See? So this is now your first chain. Not too tight and not too loose. So just enough for your needle to to have that gentle slide, so that you can easily grab the next loop. It's easier for you to push with your thumb, to push the chain with your thumb, so you can come up with your second chain. And then you do that again and again. Go under and pull. 3 chains already. Can you see? 1, 2, and 3. Under and pull. See? Under and pull. Now, it's really important for you to do some countings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's okay. So remember again, not too tight and not too loose. You will know if you've done correctly if you are able to unravel them very smoothly. So rock and roll, twirl, and your needle hold, and twice. Okay, twirl twice, and get this. Okay, that's your first, and really hold it here by the neck as soon as you get your first chain, and then loosen up. So again, there are a lot of techniques on how to do this, but I got used to doing it this way because that's how my mom taught me. So how many chains do we have? 1, 2, the next challenge for us is to form a circle. Now you just make a round, and you go to the first chain and pierce through. See, so you have 2 loops, and still go under. Always go under the thread, and then pull. So pull through twice so you can close the circle like that. Alright, so now you have your first circle.